is Maria Waringi. I'm broadcasting from Nairobi, and today I would like us to talk about how you create an Ethereum wallet, and we shall go online view, so that we all have to understand very clearly. My wish is that everyone understands very clearly how to create an Ethereum wallet painlessly and don't get in trouble. Now, there's some things we have to talk about before we go to that topic of how you create an Ethereum wallet. The first thing is you navigate to this web address, https://www.myetherwallet.com, https://www.myetherwallet.com. So let's go to that web address by closing the already existing one here, and this one, and this one. We go to a new, fresh browser. I'll say my Ether wallet. When you write my Ether wallet, it comes on its own, but what you want to make sure is that the website has that information: https://www.myetherwallet.com. And this comes with a lot of warnings. Don't get phished, please. Thank you. And so also, you're requested to bookmark myetherwallet.com by clicking there. When you click on it, it goes straight to the bookmarks. Then you install EAL on Chrome. Okay. So by this, these are some instructions on how to install that, and then, or you can install MetaMask or Cryptonic. Now let's dive straight into the work of creating a new wallet. The first thing you have to do is to create a password. A password is any combination of letters and numbers that you want. This is a password that you remember. So in this case, I'll write a password of my own. I won't show you what it is. And I enter my password there, and I say create. Okay, so it's good for me now, and this for you as well, to open a file on your desktop. Let's go in here and go to desktop and create a text file. New. Where is the text file? Okay. Oh, it is, or even a rich text document. No. And call it Ether things if you want. So my Ether things. So this is where you write your password. To have been much better to put it on a text filing. Oh yeah, text document like this. Yeah, which is a text document. Say okay. You open it and I say my password here. And remember, we're doing this so that you may keep the password safe. And I'll write the password I just created here, just for illustration. This is this password is for the demonstration only. Okay. So once you have done that, close that and go back to your website and look at it. Say, download your key store file. Save your key store file. Do not lose it. It cannot be recovered if you lose it. Don't share it. Your funds will be stolen if you use this file on a malicious or phishing site. Make a backup. Secure it like the $1 million that it may one day be worth. Okay. Don't just keep it anywhere. So let's say you click on download the key store file. Now, it's very, very important that you know that this key store file is saved somewhere. What do you want to do with the UTC 2018-06 series of numbers and letters there. That is the name of your file. It's coming from my Ether wallet. What I say is I open it so that I can save it to the specific location I want. It will ask you what apps to use. You say, let's use a notepad. And so it's going to be on a notepad, and then you save us in the same location. We put the other file, which I would call desktop. Okay. So it's the same place we have my Ether things we just saved. Okay. So then you close that, and then you say, I understand, and I continue. Here, you will see it will bring you to a page with your private key. And it will say, save your private key. So it's good that you collect that, copy everything, and come to my Ether thing and say also here, private key. This combination, if you lose it, you are in serious trouble. And this is a file that you're going to put in a very, very secret location. Never, ever, ever share this information with anyone. Okay. Okay. Then you say save your address. This, or you can print it on a paper wallet. This is what we call paper wallet in the other video, and this is what it would look like. So when you do it that way, it calls the printer. Now, printer here is HP LaserJet M102, so it's between M1 and 106. And so you would hit print, and you would keep, well, let's just increase the screen here. You would see that this page, this document here has got all the information that we just saved on this Microsoft, on this notepad here. So the same information that you would find on that, this printed paper. So you hit print and it goes to the printer. Okay, now you can go back to my Ether wallet. Once you have printed, say save your address. And when it says save your address, then the address is already saved. And then it says unlock your wallet to see your address. Okay. In this case, you saw that we use a key store, JSON file. And if you want to learn more, you can click here to find what this. The other files, I mean, there are other wallets that you can use, including MetaMask and Mist. And I personally have used MetaMask, which loads on your browser. On you. Okay, so it's refusing to come up because there's so much going on. It loads up on your browser at the top here on Google Chrome. So now to get this, I go to select a file. You know where we have kept the file is on desktop, and it will be right there, and open. So then from there, I put the password. Just go back to that keypad, notepad, get the password and paste it. Yeah. And then it should open, boom, and there you go. So I have a new address. Okay, I have a new address here, and my new address is OX8D1 blah blah, and check it's also showing on the other side. It's showing that the private key, and you can look at it, is the same private key that we downloaded. So you now have your private key here, and you can print a wallet. The same, you find this wallet information. Let's close the printer again. Your address and your private key. You should never, ever, ever, ever give anybody your address. Okay. However, now you should never, ever, ever give anyone your private key. You should never, ever, ever give anyone your private key, gentlemen and ladies. But you can always give your address to people who you want to send money. This is like your email address, let's say. Your email address is where you receive emails, but your private key is the key to the insides of your wallet. So in this case, you can see here that the address is in this code, but the key was unencrypted can be seen, but you can block it so that someone behind you doesn't take that code and go and use it for opening your wallet. So it is as easy as that. You can see that the wallet is unlocked and it's available. And if you wanted to see whether there's any transaction, you can click on etherscan.io, and you can click on that and you will find that your address is already registered on Etherscan. It's as simple as that. Gentlemen, this is very, very simple. Don't sweat it. Just open an Ethereum address, an Ethereum wallet. And once you have your Ethereum wallet, you send this address, your address, to info@ubrica.com, and that's all we're asking you to do. Send your address to info. You copy this address, okay? Not the private key, the address. Do not copy your private key, and you can keep your private key hidden like that. So copy your address, you select all and copy, then go open your email, and okay, where is Chrome not opening? Open your email, go to your Gmail, and then send to compose recipient info@ubrica.com, my Ethereum. And once you do that, you send, and then you're good to go. That's all you need to do. No more, no less. Thank you so much for watching this, because it was very necessary that we have this discussion. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to post them here.